Ocean thermal energy conversion is a process which utilizes the heat energy stored in the tropical ocean. Ocean thermal energy conversion is a renewable energy technology that harnesses the temperature difference between warm surface water and cold deep water to generate electricity. OTEC utilizes the difference in temperature between warm surface seawater and cold deep seawater to produce electricity. Ocean thermal energy conversion harnesses the temperature difference between the warm surface water of the ocean and the cold water deep below to generate power. It is a processing renewable energy technology. Because the ocean are continually heated by the sun and cover nearly 70% of the Earth's surface, this temperature difference contains a vast amount of solar energy which could potentially be tapped for human use. And let's proceed the main component. Number one is evaporators are a crucial component in ocean thermal energy conversion tech system. They utilize warm ocean surface water to evaporate our working fluid, usually ammonia or similar substance at low pressure. As the fluid evaporates, it absorbs heat energy from the ocean water. This vapor is then directed to drive turbine generating electricity. Number 2, condensers turbine. Condenser in ocean thermal energy conversion systems are responsible for condensing the vaporized working fluid back into the liquid form. This condensation process releases heat energy, which is then transferred to cold ocean water pumped from deeper layers. The cold working fluid is then pumped back to the evaporators to repeat the cycle. The turbine is the component where the vaporized fluid expands, driving the turbine blades and generating electricity. So the condensers and turbines work together to convert thermal energy from ocean into electricity. And last, cold water pipe. The cold water pipe in ocean thermal energy conversion OTEC system is a large pipe that transports cold water from the depths of the ocean to the surface. The cold water is used in the condensation process in the condensers, where it absorbs heat from the vaporized working fluid, causing the fluid to condense back into liquid form. The cold water pipe is a crucial component for maintaining the temperature difference necessary for efficient OTEC operation.
In ocean thermal energy conversion, warm surface ocean water is pumped to the evaporator where it heats up a working fluid, turning it into a high-pressure vapor. This vapor then spins a turbine generator as it rushes through it. Next in the low-pressure condenser. The vapor is cooled by cold water from the ocean deeps, causing it to condense back into a liquid. The working fluid is then sent back to the evaporator to repeat the cycle. PTEC can produce electricity through three main system designs: closed cycle, open cycle, and hybrid cycle. Each design utilizes the principle of heat exchange between warm surface water and cold deep water to generate power.
Disadvantage: an OTEC facility requires a substantial initial capital outlay. OTEC has not been demonstrated at full scale over a prolonged period with integrated power, mariculture, freshwater, and chilled water production. OTEC is only feasible at relatively isolated sites, deep tropical oceans. From such sites, the power and marine products must be transported to market. And last, OTEC is ecological controversial, at least untested in large scale and over a long period.